Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video. Question number 45. What does it mean? The max correction of wave 4 is usually at the same level of wave 3 lower degree wave 4. The answer is, this means that if wave 3 is extended, simply wave 3 is 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And wave 3 is completed, then wave 4 started the correction. Mostly wave 4 will correct to point 4 in wave 3. Quote number 39. Larry Connors said, "I get real concerned when I see trading strategies with too many rules. You should too." Thanks for watching, liking and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.